Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Audi A3 Sportback. This is the 1.4 TFSi 6-speed manual, 150 brake horsepower, Euro 5 petrol engine. Compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London. It's just a tax band B, so 109 grams of CO2, which equates to just £20 a year road tax. And the car returns 60.1 claimed MPG. One former keeper for this Amalfi blue A3. Full service history comprising 2 services, both long life, one completed by Audi, one by a VAG specialist. Next service is due in 18,700 miles or 728 days. MOT valid through until the 16th of July 2020 with no advisories, no outstanding recalls, and the vehicle is fitted with an excellent set of premium brand tyres, Pirelli on the rear 3.8 and 4.4, and good ride fronts on 6.2 and 6.3mm of tread. As with the exterior of this A3, the interior is also in excellent condition, featuring the black and grey cloth interior to the sport model, Isofix location points to both outer rear seats, electrically operated front windows, rear windows, optional electric folding heated wing mirrors. The vehicle is also fitted with optional cruise control, along with the comfort package and optional rear parking sensors. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers and start-stop technology are also standard on this model. Lovely cold air conditioning. Radio, DAB radio with separate CD. Audi music interface with lead for iPhone. Bluetooth with Bluetooth music streaming are all standard on this model. This A3 is HPI clear, so there is no outstanding finance to the vehicle, not been involved in any accidents which has resulted in total loss claims, etc. The car will be supplied with 2 remote control keys, full book pack, full set of tailored carpet mats, all paperwork is present, space saver spare wheel with all tools including locking wheel bolt, and the parcel shelf is also present. Everything's tried and tested, any inspection welcome. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding the warranties on offer, as well as our interactive finance calculator with the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The advertised offer is with a 20% deposit over a 48-month term with monthly payments of £164.02 on a PCP contract, representative APR of 10.1. Thank you for watching this latest video.